It is lighter than a bottle of water, and you feel the incredible lightness of this object, as if it is a precious, fragile artifact from another world. This is not just a trophy, but the world's most famous cup that every team dreams of holding.
This trophy is held by the best in the world, and it is the ultimate prize for the ultimate achievement.
This trophy is made from aerospace-grade carbon fiber, which is the same material used in fighter jets and Formula One race cars.
This trophy can survive being crushed by a military tank.
This trophy is built right here in the USA by some of the best craftsmen in the world.
One team will lift it, but you are about to see the incredible journey of how it was made. The journey begins with the raw material, and this pure carbon fiber is made right here in the USA.
It is woven into a specialized fabric called pre-preg, and you see the precision and complexity required to create.
It is pre-impregnated with a special epoxy resin, which is what makes it so strong. It is not just a cloth, but a sophisticated The material is delivered to the experts, who will transform it.
They have the raw carbon fiber right here, and it looks like a simple piece of fabric, but you are about to see it turn into a 500-gram gold trophy. Layer by layer, he builds the structure of the trophy, and the more layers, the stronger it becomes. You see the methodical, repetitive nature of the process.
Modern technology helps ensure the layers are going down exactly right.
Once all the layers are in, it is time to put it all together under pressure.
A vacuum is applied to pull the bag tight and compress all the layers together. All the air is forced out, leaving only the carbon and the resin. It is then loaded into an autoclave for the most intense step in the process. The autoclave applies high pressure and heat to cure the carbon fiber.
It reaches 180 degrees Celsius, and the heat melts the resin, which bonds with every single fiber. The pressure and heat work together to
What comes out is no longer a piece of fabric, but a single, solid, ultra-hard shell.
There it is, the trophy, in its raw, natural state, strong but not yet glorious.
This raw shell is so strong that it could survive being crushed by a military tank, and that is the power of aerospace-grade carbon.
Now the transformation becomes visual as the first layer of gold goes on, and you see the trophy begin to look like a trophy as the gold paint covers the black carbon. It is a special high-gloss gold metallic finish designed to catch the light and create a stunning visual impact.
Each piece is polished to a mirror finish.
Absolutely flawless. The best in the world.
It is exactly 500 grams, as promised.
It is then placed into its presentation box, ready for its champion.
From raw fabric to a finished champion's prize, and this is what American craftsmanship can achieve.
From a simple piece of fabric to a golden prize for the champions, it is a journey of incredible skill and precision.
We did it!
Let's go! We won!
Lighter than water and stronger than steel, this is the World Cup trophy.
Made in the USA.
Every frame in this video is handcrafted from concept to final edit. A real human guides every step using AI tools. All content is original and follows YouTube 2026 monetization rules.